Think America's most expensive cities are out of reach? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how to explore the priciest places in the US without emptying your wallet. This is Explore with Meg, your travel guide and friend. The year is already winding down, and here we are already planning for 2026 budget travel. Let's dive into the best budget travel secrets for 2026. Number 1. New York City. The Art of Free Adventures New York might top every most expensive list, but it's also full of amazing free experiences. You can explore Central Park, catch free museum hours at the MoMA or the Met, and take the Staten Island Ferry for skyline views that rival any paid cruise. For stays, look for boutique hostels in Brooklyn, or try couch surfing and trusted house sitters for zero-cost accommodation. 2. San Francisco. Beat the Bay on a budget. San Francisco is beautiful and pricey, but if you travel smart, you'll save big. Walk across the Golden Gate Bridge instead of paying for bus tours. Visit Alamo Square and Twin Peaks for breathtaking views. For food, skip Fisherman's Wharf and eat where locals eat the Mission District for cheap, authentic eats. And for sleeping? Try camping across the bay or using Hostel World deals in 2026. Next is Miami. Luxury on a budget. Miami can drain your savings fast, but smart travelers know where to cut costs. Stay in South Beach hostels, explore Little Havana on foot, and visit the beach at sunrise. It's free and unforgettable. In 2026, use apps like Eat Okra or Happy Cow to find affordable local food spots, many with happy hour deals under $10. At number 4, we have Chicago. Culture without the cost. In Chicago, walk or bike the Lakefront Trail for free and visit Millennium Park to see the Bean. Time your trip in the summer for free outdoor concerts and movie nights by the water. For food, skip deep dish restaurants downtown and go for local pizza joints. It is cheaper and just as good. 5 is Los Angeles. The glamour you don't have to pay. For Hollywood, beaches and palm trees don't have to cost a fortune. Take the Griffith Observatory hike for a panoramic city view. Stroll Venice Beach and visit film studios' free exhibits. For stays, look for Airbnb private rooms or pod hotels, a new trend in LA offering hotel-quality privacy for half the price. Traveling America's costliest cities doesn't mean you have to spend like a millionaire. With free experiences, smart apps, and the right timing, you can enjoy it all on a budget. Subscribe for more travel secrets with Explore with Meg. See you on my next video.